Hello and welcome to this short session by Sky Health Academy, where we'll take a quick but focused look at one of the emerging frontiers in medical technology, radiomics in healthcare. Radiomics is still in its early stages of clinical adoption, but its potential is already creating a lot of excitement in both research and real-world medical practice. At its core, radiomics is about transforming medical images into quantitative data that can help guide better clinical decisions. Now, because this topic is evolving and still gaining maturity in many healthcare systems, this session is meant to be an introduction, a starting point to help you understand the concept, its promise, and where it currently stands. Let's dive into what radiomics is, how it works, and why it may soon play a significant role in personalized medicine and advanced diagnostics. Let's start with the basics. Radiomics is the extraction of quantitative data from medical images like CT scans, MRIs, and PETs. It transforms images into miniable data, turning pixels into powerful insights. Why should you care about radiomics? Because it uncovers subtle imaging patterns invisible to the naked eye. These patterns can improve diagnosis, predict treatment response, guide prognosis, and even reveal therapy resistance early on. Here's the typical radiomics pipeline. 1. Image acquisition. High quality, standardized scans. 2. Segmentation, defining the region of interest. 3. Feature extraction, pulling out hundreds of data points, shape, texture, intensity. 4. Data analysis, using statistical models and AI to interpret the findings. 5. Validation, confirming results with real-world patient outcomes. To succeed in radiomics, you need high-resolution imaging systems, secure data infrastructure for storing and sharing DICOM files, advanced software tools for segmentation, feature engineering, and modeling, and a multidisciplinary team, radiologists, data scientists, clinicians, to bridge data and care. Radiomics is already making waves in oncology, cardiology, neurology, and more. For example, predicting tumor aggressiveness in lung cancer, identifying treatment response in brain tumors early on, supporting algorithms that aid diagnosis in cardiac imaging. It has the potential to improve personalized treatment pathways and outcomes. But let's be real. Radiomics isn't without hurdles. Variability in imaging protocols can affect feature consistency. Validation requires large, diverse datasets. Regulatory bodies need transparency and clinical utility demonstration. Integration into daily workflows demands change management and training. What's next for radiomics? Combining it with genomics and pathology to build holistic radiogenomics models. Creating real-time decision support tools for clinicians, scaling across multi-center trials to build robust evidence, and moving from retrospective models to prospective clinical trials for validated impact. To wrap up, radiomics turns medical images into powerful data. It enhances diagnosis, prognosis, and treatment planning. Success depends on quality imaging, solid infrastructure, cross-functional teams, and clinical validation. The future? Integrated, intelligent, patient-centered insights. And that brings us to the end of this short but essential introduction to radiomics in healthcare. While still in the early stages, radiomics holds the potential to shift how we interpret imaging, moving from visual assessments to data-rich analysis that could personalize diagnosis, predict outcomes, and improve treatment planning. As with any emerging field, there's still much to learn, validate, and refine. But staying informed early gives medical affairs professionals and healthcare leaders a strategic edge in shaping tomorrow's clinical practices. Thank you for joining this session. Keep exploring, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next tutorial from Sky Health Academy.